Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make your Twitter account public. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. There are times when you only want your closest friend to be able to view your private talks on Twitter. Fortunately, Twitter has a helpful feature that allows you to change your account from status from public to private. And I've shown you how to do it on my previous video. I've shown you how to make your public Twitter account to private. And now what if you want to change it to public again? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, to help to open our Twitter, as you can see on my profile beside my name, there is like a lock icon on there. It means my Twitter account is on a private. Now I want to change it to public. You can go to settings by tap on the up left corner here. You can go to settings and support. Tap on settings and privacy. Tap on privacy and safety. Tap on your post. Here, audience and tagging. On protect your post, when this feature on, only current followers and people you approve in the future will be able to see your post. It means your account will be private. Now, if you want to make it public, you can just enable by tap on the toggle on here. So now let's go back and see on your profile. Now, as you can see on my profile, there's no more the lock icon beside my name. It means my profile, my account is on a public. It's so simple, right? So that is how to make your Twitter account public. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.